Adding color variation to your home with flooring styles. Are you looking for a way to add some color variation and texture to your home? Flooring is often overlooked as an opportunity to make a statement in any room. With so many colors and styles of flooring available, it can be difficult to decide which one is right for your home. Let's break down the different types of flooring that offer color variation and how each one will complement the style of your home. Ceramic tile flooring. Ceramic tile offers a wide range of color variations and designs, allowing you to customize its look and feel. This type of flooring also provides excellent durability and is easy to maintain. It is also water-resistant, making it ideal for bathrooms or kitchens. However, keep in mind that ceramic tile can be cold underfoot, so you may want to consider adding rugs or carpets in certain areas. Luxury vinyl tile, LVT, flooring. LVT flooring is a great option if you are looking for a more upscale look without breaking the bank. This type of flooring offers an array of colors and textures that closely resemble natural materials such as wood or stone, but at a fraction of the cost. LVT also provides excellent durability and is easy to maintain. Additionally, it adds warmth underfoot, so it's perfect for bedrooms or living rooms. Linoleum flooring. Linoleum is another great option if you're looking for something durable yet affordable that offers plenty of color variations. It's made from natural materials such as cork dust, linseed oil, wood flour, powdered limestone, etc., making it environmentally friendly as well as resistant to mold, mildew, and bacteria growth. Linoleum floors are also easy to clean and maintain, so they're perfect for busy households with kids or pets. No matter what look you're going for in your home, there are plenty of options when it comes to adding color variation with flooring styles. Ceramic tile is an excellent choice if you want something durable that's easy to clean, while luxury vinyl tile, LVT, gives you the look of high-end materials without breaking the bank. And lastly, linoleum offers plenty of colors while being eco-friendly and kid-friendly too. The key is finding the right balance between style and functionality, so take your time researching various options before making a decision. Good luck! Thanks for watching.